Hi guys, Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much guys for clicking, and thank you so much for always coming back here to watch my videos and your comments. I love it so much. Guys, did you watch yesterday's video? If you did not, please go ahead and watch before you come here and watch this one. Okay, so today's video is literally about gifting. So I went on my IG, my Instagram, and I asked my fans a question. I was asking, what will you like to put on your Christmas list this year? I wanted to know what people want really to be gifted. So I asked the question, and guys, you could never believe. So many people came up and they were saying this, and they were saying this, and they were saying this, what they could like to be on their Christmas list. But I had to pick a couple where most people wanted. You know, some of the answers were repetitive answers, so I had to pick some of the answers that most people picked most. What would they really like for them to be gifted this year? If you could like to gift somebody out there, trust me, this is what they want. And I asked her this question and I could not believe so many people were just like, everybody wanted this, you know. It was a good question, and I thought this question I'm gonna come here and make a video about you. If you are out there struggling and thinking, what am I gonna give somebody, and Christmas is around the corner, what am I gonna buy somebody? The best thing actually is to know the person, and if you can go ahead and ask the person what they want, that will really help. Okay, because you don't want to buy a gift out of the box, okay? Out of nowhere, out of the water. Just go ahead and buy what somebody wants. But today I'm gonna give you a list of things that people want this year. It's a genuine question I asked, and most people answered, and I'm here to let you know what people were saying. And it shocked me. Okay, I hope it's gonna shock you too. But make sure you comment below and let me know what you think. So the first thing that people wanted on their Christmas list is their bills paid. Pay my bills. Guys, that tells me where's the economy. So most people wondered if you're going to gift them, and this year all you have to do is to pay their bills, because it looks like most people are behind on their bills, or they're missing here and there, and they could love for you guys. If you're going to give somebody, please make sure you ask them if they have any pending bills, if they have somewhere that they need help in terms of bills. Go ahead and pay their bills, and that's what they said. So I'm here to report. So this year, if you're going to give somebody, make sure you pay their bills, period. That's what they said. Another thing they said overwhelmingly, people wanted, if you're going to give them a gift, make sure you buy them grocery. Buy them grocery, that means give them money to go buy grocery, or you know what they eat, consume in their home, you can go buy a grocery and gift them. Guys, what does that tell you? People are hungry this year. So that means if you are going to reward somebody, go ahead and buy them grocery, and they are going to be happy. And most of the people, my fans on IG, they were overwhelmingly saying that they need grocery. That means like their family members who are coming, whatever, they need a grocery as a gift, okay? Number 3, what people were saying really, they want a gift card. And they went further. They say they want a gift card, but they want a gift card so that they can put the gas in their cars. Oh my goodness. That tells me that people really need money. We are behind. We're behind here. We need support. So this year, Christmas is not going to be about fancy. It's not going to be about whatever. I say this year, Christmas is about needs. It's not about wants. People need money to put their gas. So this year, if you're going to give to somebody, know that you're going to give somebody something that is going to help them, okay? Something that they need really right now, groceries and a gift card so they can put their gas in their car. They need their bills paid, okay? Those are the three most things that people really wanted to have, and that shook me. I was like, oh my goodness, so people are really in need. We are in need and we need to pay our bills. Another thing that people were saying, if you're going to give them, they wanted this one shook me. They wanted you to fix their laptops. So it looks like most people had those old laptops, or they're missing their charger, or their laptops are not working for one reason or the other. And they were like, if I could get somebody, there was one comment that said, if I could get somebody to fix my laptop, I'll scream. I'm like, oh my goodness. People want you guys, if you're going to give this year, consider, I know it's very expensive, but consider asking them if they could have what they could have, and they'll tell you, oh, I want you to fix my laptop. I'm like, oh my goodness, that is so. This year gifting is going to be very expensive. That's what I'm seeing. So guys, I'm gonna have my chit chat here because I had to write it down so I don't miss anything, so that you guys can understand. These are real people who are saying what they need this year. So leave alone those fancy things. Oh, I need Gucci, I need Dior, I need what now? People need groceries, okay? Another thing that people wanted really this year is a cookware. People were looking into the kitchen. They were looking like, oh, I'm missing something. So they really went into the kitchen and they wanted you guys, if you're going to give somebody, consider cookwares. People need their kitchens to be cooking and looking fancy. So ask them what they need, or surprise them if you know exactly what they need. So cookware also was on the top, okay? So don't say Moto Lifestyle didn't tell you. I'm telling you what people were asking for to be on the Christmas list, okay? This year. Another thing, what people were saying, most people were saying socks. I don't know why they wanted socks. I know because Christmas usually it's cold. So most people were saying, oh, I want those fancy socks. So if you can give somebody socks this year, it's your time. Go ahead and gift somebody socks because they need socks. They were asking socks. So a good number of people actually on my IG, they really wanted socks. So I'm making for you easy, guys. Easily. So don't say I didn't tell you, and don't just trouble your mind looking what you're going to give somebody. So no, come here to this video right here, listen and listen carefully what people are saying, okay? I'm listening as well, okay? Another thing that people wanted, oh my god, you cannot believe this. A number of people, they were asking overtime in their jobs. Let me scratch my head. Scratch your head. People were asking to get overtime from their jobs. So if you are an employer out there, your workers this year, what they need is overtime. People need to work overtime so they can have more money to do whatever they want to do. So people are behind in bills. They want overtime. This one caught me on surprise, guys. What do you think? People asking for overtime on a Christmas day? Yeah, sure, they were. So that was an answer that was there, and I had to bring you here, okay? My goodness, guys. Another thing that people were really wanted, people were genuine in these questions. People were asking for good health, as myself. People really wanted you guys to pray for them, and people wanted to have good health so that they can see another year, okay? So people wanted to be well. That is another gift another gift that was on the list this year. Another thing that people wanted really overwhelmingly, people wanted their cars to be fixed. This year, this shocked me. People wanted you guys to fix their car. Maybe somebody's missing a tire. Somebody doesn't have a windshield. Somebody has a dent in their car. Or the engine is not working. Or if you can manage to buy somebody a new car, people were asking for you guys to fix their cars. Trust me, this year. These are some of the answers that I got when I asked the questions, what would they like to put on their Christmas list this year? I know there's so many things that most people wanted to include in their Christmas list this year, but I wanted to go deeper. I wanted to go into real people, and ask the question and know what really people want. It's not about what you think, what this person wants for Christmas. And I always say, if you want to give somebody, make sure you start early so that you can have plenty of time for yourself and the other people, so that you can ask what they need before you can start gifting. So this here, according to my research, okay, it looks like so many people need help. People need help in their groceries. People need help in paying their bills. People need good health. People need overtime. That tells you that the economy is not doing so well, so people needs money. So it looks like this year people are not going to play games, because I did not see anybody say, oh, I want a PlayStation, oh, I want this kind of game. That one was not there. Everybody was asking for something they really consume, or something they need. Well, I hope this video caught you in surprise, and this video has taught you something else. Open your mind and your eyes to see what other people say. And it's good to ask the questions so that you can get answers from the real people. So that's why Umoto Lifestyle is here, to go deeper and dig deeper for you, so you don't have to struggle. So any answers you want about Christmas, come here and I'm gonna do more research for you. So guys, make sure you subscribe. I know most of you are not subscribing. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to comment a sweet comment there, and share with people, your aunties, when they come for Christmas, your cousins, your uncle. Tell them about Umoto Lifestyle's channel, and make sure you turn on that notification bell so that when I'm popping a video, you're right there catching it and watching it, guys. From here to you, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.